You're most welcome, madam.
Thank you.
You may have a seat.
Thank you. I come here. I want to eat some food.
Okay. Here is our menu.
But me, I know what I want. I want the chicken. Chicken and Irish.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
But on chicken, I want this.
So what?
This.
Madam, what's this?
I want a chupapara.
I beg your pardon?
I want a chupapara.
Madam, we don't cook with papara here.
Oh gosh. On chicken and Irish potato, but on chicken I want a chupapara.
I'm sorry, you don't have that order. Like, we don't cook papara here.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Then what do you have?
I gave you the menu. I just gave you the menu.
But I see here you have meat and chicken. Even chicken is here.
Yeah, we have chicken, but we don't have
Yes, I
chipapara.
want a chicken, a chupapara.
We have chicken, but we don't have papara.
I want chicken, this part, this a chupapara.
Yeah, we don't cook that.
Now what are you going to give me?
I'll give you what you want, like chicken and Irish. I'll give you chicken and Irish, but I don't have chipapara.
Okay, you give me.
Okay, madam. I'm going to bring your order, chicken and Irish, right?
Okay,
Okay, madam.
but I wanted that part, a chupapara.
We don't have chipapara. We don't have chipapara, but I'm going to get you chicken and Irish.
Okay,
Okay, madam.
and I need some juice.
I'm gonna get you that.
Okay,